Hello. In this video we will prepare Matlab and Simulink to be ready to install our toolbox, and for that we will have to install some Matlab add-ons. So let's first start Matlab. Click on the start button, type Matlab, and just be sure that you have the latest A version that you found on their website, and start it. And let's see which add-ons are already installed, and we can see it here on the left where it says add-ons. And as you can see, we have Simulink installed, and I have a warning already that I can update Matlab a little bit. But let's first focus on what we must install. So go to add-ons, explore add-ons, and then you should see this. Oh, there it is already, add-on explorer. And let's type here embedded coder. Here we see embedded coder, and we need that one. And then press install. And this will take a while. It might take a few coffees even, so be patient. So this screen should pop up, and it tells you that embedded coder will be installed, and that an extra add-on Matlab coder will also be installed because it's needed by embedded coder. So let's do that. Just press next and accept the license agreements, of course. And during the installation, your Matlab credentials might be asked. So let's press install. It should do its work. It shuts down Matlab, as you see, and then it will start up again when it's installed. It will download it, whatever is necessary, of course. Also, that will take a while. Matlab is back. It's almost complete. Now it is complete. And we need another one. We also need Simulink coder. It says type it here, and you see Simulink coder. Again, you have to install it. Also, this will take a while again. And the process simply repeats for the second one. And install, and then again this will take a while for the installation. And there's our second installation. Close the windows and just let's double check if everything is okay with add-ons. And here we see, of course, Simulink that already had, and the three coder add-ons. So that's okay. And then we have to change two settings. Well, one I already did. but go to settings here, go to add-ons, and as you see you have some default add-on normally, so let's take the one that we are going to use. You go to your C drive and select Matlab add-ons. So the add-ons field here should be filled with C Matlab add-ons, and then go to the general item here, and here say specify the full path. So not the last working folder, because that may change depending on what you've been doing. So specify the full path to a folder, press the 3 buttons here, and then say again C Matlab, and in this case work. Select it. So the idea is that all our add-ons will end up in C Matlab add-ons, and that you are creating all your models in C Matlab work as we have here. Okay, just to be sure that everything is working, close down Matlab, start it again, and then you should see here C Matlab work, and everything is then ready for the next step, which means ready for the next video. Thank you, and until the next video.